How to block video calls on Facebook Messenger. Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can stop video call on Facebook or block video calls on Facebook Messenger. So for that, you have to watch this video till the end. So it's a very simple process. All you have to do is just go ahead and log in into your Messenger application. Make sure that your application is completely up to date. So while you're on this page, this is how it's going to look like. So here you have to tap the tab bar icon from the top left hand side and go to the gear icon. As you do that, you need to scroll down a bit and head over to the interface as notification and sound. So right on this page, whatever you can see that is toggled on, all you have to do is just toggle it off or turn it on. Just go ahead and tap on the turn off button. So first thing what you have to do is just go ahead and toggle the button, and accordingly you have to just customize the notification as well. So for that, tap the customize notification button, and you can either keep it silent or maybe you can just turn it off, or else you can just toggle the button right on top. Now from further onwards, you'll not receive any sort of calls or any sort of notification on Messenger. So that's basically how you can block video call on Facebook Messenger. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.